Take a look at Sri Lanka T20 World Cup squad. Number 1 Hasaranga, captain. Number 2 Asalanka, vice captain. Number 3 wicketkeeper Kusal Mendis. Number 4 opener batsman Pathum Nissanka. Number 5 Kamindu Mendis. Number 6 Sadira Vikrakma. Number 7 timeout all-rounder Angelo Matthews. Number 8 all-rounder Dasun Saraka. Number 9 bowling all-rounder Dhananjaya De Silva. Number 10 right-arm bowler Thisanka. Number 11 left-hand bowler Dunit Walalage. Number 12 seamer bowler Samira. Number 13 Thosara. Number 14 IPL best bowler Matisha Patirana. Number 15 Madhushanka. This is best squad T20 World Cup 2024. Please subscribe my channel and like and share.